In this video, you will learn how to sign up as a business owner on the Myaccountant website. Open your web browser and go to myaccountant.com.au. On the Myaccountant homepage, click on Sign Up. In the Create Account screen, select Business Owner. You'll see 3 sign-up options. In this demo, we will use the email sign-up option. Click Sign Up with Email. Complete the sign-up form by entering your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and create and confirm your password. Tick the I'm not a robot checkbox and click Sign Up. After sign up, you will be redirected to the login page. In the login page, enter your email address and password and click Sign In. A verification code will be emailed to you. Check your email for this verification code. If you don't find the verification email in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Enter the code to verify your account. Once verified, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can begin setting up your account. Useful tips: use a secure password and store it safely. You can use the same login across web and mobile platforms. In the next video, we will go through the account setup process step by step.